Activate RBC Virtual Visa Debit. So let's get started. Today we are going to learn how to properly activate RBC Virtual Visa Debit. In step number 1, locate the reference card. This card, separate from your physical virtual Visa Debit card, contains important information needed for activation. Find the 16-digit virtual Visa Debit number and expiry date. These are listed on the front of the reference card. After that, open the RBC mobile app, ensure you have the latest version installed, then log into your RBC account. After that, navigate to the Manage My Cards or Activate My Cards section. This might differ slightly depending on your app version. After that, select Activate your virtual Visa debit card. Once you have activated, enter the virtual Visa debit card number and expiry date from your reference card. After entering all the details, follow the on-screen prompts. You might need to answer security questions or set up your PIN for the virtual debit card. After entering all the necessary details, once confirmed, your virtual Visa debit card is activated and ready to use for online purchases or through digital wallets. That's how you can properly activate RBC Virtual Visa Debit.